Welcome to Himalayan Chronicles, guys. Today we are going to a beautiful resort called as Golkonda Resort. There is a beautiful restaurant, Jewel of Nizam The Minar. It is a 300 feet height restaurant which is above the ground, and it offers you beautiful vistas, beautiful location. Here is the board, the Golkonda Resort. As we enter this beautiful road, guys, we are about to enter the Golkonda Resort, the main entrance. Once you enter the Golkonda Resort, you will be greeted with beautiful, lavish greenery and very clean atmosphere. Wonderful, guys. I really enjoyed this serene tranquility moments. Come with your loved ones, have a good time. And here you will be greeted with a beautiful place. Hello, Anita. Hello. So, guys, Minar ke paas aaye. So as you can see the beautiful greenery over here, and this is the accommodation facilities available in the resort. Very mind blowing. Hello Anita, कहाँ है हम? Jewel of Nizam के पास आ गए हैं. So guys, as you can see the very clean atmosphere. So that's the Jewel of Nile. And now we are going to see the 300 feet height tower. You can see over there beside the trees. So this is a floating restaurant, we can say. Restaurant is actually situated on top of a tower, and it provides you 360 degrees views of Osman Sagar, the golf club, and all other places. Mainly maintained by the Nizam exotic architecture kind of, and you will get Mughal cuisine, intercontinental, Indian, Chinese. Lot of cuisines are available. The great jewel of Nile, the Minar. The great jewel of Nizam, the Minar. Wonderful. As you can see, this is the restaurant I was talking about. It is a 300 feet height. Very lavish greenery, guys. Beautiful lawns welcomes every traveler to come here. कैसा महसूस हो रहा है आपको?
हेलो, बहुत प्यारा है.
The Jewel of Nizam, the Minar. Wow, कितना प्यारा है. You can book this restaurant online on Golkonda Resort website by paying a 2000 rupee covering fee, which will be adjusted into the final bill. Very beautiful, guys. You need to book at once. और अनिता कैसा महसूस हो रहा है आपको?
बढ़िया महसूस हो रहा है.
बहुत प्यारा जगह है.
बहुत प्यारा है, बहुत प्यारा.
बहुत लग्जरी है भाई. फुल ऑफ लग्जरी रिजॉर्ट. वाओ, कितना प्यारा रिजॉर्ट है. This resort also has a 300-year-old building, guys, which is used for accommodation. Very luxury, almost like a Nizam kind of architecture, Mughali architecture. See the lawn, and in the lawn you can see this Minar. Minar is nothing but a tower, and there's a restaurant on top of the tower, and you can see beautiful ducks playing here in this green meadows. And people often take appointment, reservation for this table restaurant, a table in the restaurant, because over weekends a lot of rush will be there. See the beautiful ambience, guys. You can sit here, enjoy with your loved ones, enjoy the beautiful moments of life closer to the nature. Hello Anita, आ जाओ. बहुत प्यारा जगह है भाई. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. वाओ. Very beautiful, guys.
बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा है. और ये हमारी 4th engagement anniversary.
Yes. Welcome to the 4th engagement anniversary. Now we are proceeding to the entrance of the Minar. You can see the beautiful entrance, guys. Extremely beautiful, exotic location. I am really enjoying every minute of it. So once we enter the Minar, I'll show you the architectural, how the Minar is inside, especially interior decoration and so on. As we enter the Minar, you can see the beautiful Mughalai music playing in the background. Beautiful chandelier, guys. Wow, this is a mighty Nizam descendant. The portrait and see the chandelier on the roof. Pretty aristocratic, guys. Even the entire interior decoration is very aristocratic, mind-boggling. So this is the mighty Nizam descendant, and this is the wonderful chandeliers available at the lift area. So once you take the lift, you will be greeted with the beautiful menu. See the menu, guys. This menu includes lot of stuff, right from the Indian breakfast to the intercontinental breakfast, Mughalai cuisine, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, paneer products, and as well as you also get beautiful refreshments including the sharbat and as well as the other items. Wonderful, guys. Even you will get lot of condiments, rice items, fried rice biryani, dum biryani, lamb biryani. So lot of other products are available. Exotic fish products are available, fish food items, dry nuts. Beautiful. See the ambience, just mind blowing. The ambience is amazing. The menu card itself is like a beautiful ambience. You can see the menu card is decorated with lot of artifacts, especially from the Mughal era. And you can see the old car portraits in the menu card. Literally, this menu card itself will take you to time travel. And I can see the coins, the old coins, the Nizam coins. These are the different vehicles or the cars that Nizam used to own. These pictures are all depicted in this menu card. Literally mind-blowing, guys. These are the coins, the copper coins, leather coins used in those times. So this book itself is a history. Book itself embodies lot of other artifacts including the Kohinoor diamond, the different diamonds, artifacts, as well as the pictorial representation of various sculptures, various ornaments. Mind-blowing, guys. So now we are choosing a veg platter, probably a paneer platter, and or hara bara kebab, followed by a biryani, followed by a sharbat. Pretty mind-blowing. Lot of items are available. Beautiful, guys. And see this menu card. Welcome to your engagement anniversary. Hearty congratulations. We are celebrating anniversary at the Jewel of Nizam, the Minar. Chandelier देखो इतना प्यारा chandelier. Beautiful chandelier, guys. और अनिता जी, दो शब्द बोलो, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
रॉयल ज्वेल देखो कब से कितना प्यारा कब से. With this crystalline glasses, followed by silver spoons, silver utensils, where you will be eating your food. Copper plated mugs, jugs are also available. See the beautiful views from the Minar, almost in a height of 300 feet above sea level. You can see the Osman Sagar right beside the window, and see this wonderful royal glassware. Really mind-blowing, guys. Happy engagement anniversary.
Same to you.
Here at the Minar, the jewel of Hyderabad. Let's go for the table, guys. Let's go with the table. और अनिता जी दो शब्द बोलो कैसा लग रहा है?
बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत प्यारा है.
Happy anniversary once again.
Same to you.
Wow, कितना प्यारा लग रहा है. Hello Anita, happy anniversary once again. दो शब्द कहना चाहते हो हमारा एनिवर्सरी के बारे में?
ऐसे सेलिब्रेट करते हुए 4 साल हो गए।
4 साल हो गया भाई, 4 साल। 4 years of our beautiful anniversary. हाँ? 4 years हो गया। Hello. On the roof, you can see the beautiful chandelier decorated with all the lights lit up. Pretty mind blowing. Anita, how do you feel coming to the jewel of Nizam, the Minar? बहुत प्यारा है, बहुत खूबसूरत है। आप शैंडल देख सकते हो, व्यू देख सकते हो, कितना प्यारा व्यू है। What a wonderful view. We are 100 feet above the ground and very beautiful. And you have silver spoons everywhere. बहुत प्यारा है silver spoons. We are celebrating our 4th anniversary engagement at the Minar, the jewel of the Nizam. Very beautiful, guys. We are about 100 feet above the ground. Very beautiful. So finally Shahi biryani has come and we are enjoying this delicacy. Wonderful taste, guys, a magical taste based out of Mughali cuisine. Wonderful. See this beautiful glassware, pretty royal, isn't it? The blue color, violet color glassware is pretty amazing. Both eyes are not enough to see the beauty of this minar. And we are surprised with the grand cake that they have offered to us on the eve of our anniversary, the engagement anniversary. Here you can see the interior decoration, the chandeliers, the roof and the background painting works, the artworks. Pretty amazing. People come over here with their loved ones to celebrate their birthdays, anniversaries, any special moments of life that requires a special presence, a special ambience. To come here, enjoy the beauty of the Minar. You can see the door itself is royal. Lot of chandeliers are available. कैसा लगा आपको आज जुवेल सेलिब्रेशन? वाट सैंडलियर नवाब साहब के साथ हो। मैं रानी थी नवाबों के, लखनऊ का नवाब से हैदराबाद नवाबी हो गई। वाह, सरिता जी, वाओ, व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल जुवेल। और सरिता जी कैसा लगा आपको?
बहुत अच्छा है, मजा आई। लंच किया और स्पेशल डे को सेलिब्रेट किया।
यस यस। हाय अनिता।
हाय।
हेलो।
हेलो।
माय लवली अनिता जी। Happy engagement anniversary
Same
to my
to you,
lovely Anita.
same to you.
We're at a beautiful place, the Minar,
Nizam.
the jewel of the Nizam, the Minar. Golkonda resorts, बहुत beautiful है भाई। देखो कितने प्यारे लग रहे हैं, अच्छी लग रही है। और अनिता जी, hello my darling, hello.
हेलो विप्लव जी।
Welcome to Himalayan Chronicles. हम लोग अभी देखो मुनार, देखो बड़ा मुनार है भाई। हम लोग अभी ब्यूटीफुल लंच, हेवी लंच करके आए भाई, मज़ा आ रही है। और अनिता जी
ये कहाँ
कितना प्यारा लग रहा है, देखो बहुत प्यारा जगह है। साइकिल्स भी है उधर चलने के लिए। और अनिता जी, और कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
और बढ़िया लग रहा है।
ओवरऑल हाउ डू यू फील द मिनार?
बहुत अच्छा लगा, रिलैक्स गए।
बहुत अच्छा लगा भाई इधर आके।
जी जी जी, बहुत खूबसूरत है।
There you go. Nizam, the great Nizam. Wow.
Hello.
Wonderful place, guys. Really, I really like this beautiful. कौन क्या है? Jewel of Nizam, the Minar. बहुत classy है. और a lot of crowds have come. People come here for celebrating anniversaries, birthdays with their romantic wives, husbands, girlfriends, boyfriends, and also other friends. You can come with other friends also. दो शब्द बोलो मुनार देखो कितना प्यारा.
बहुत प्यारा है.
100 feet above ground level है. 3 floors का मंजिल है. 3 to 4 floors.
बहुत टाइम नहीं हुआ बने हुए लेकिन.
हाँ, ये बिल्डिंग पुराना बिल्डिंग है. ये निजाम का बिल्डिंग है भैया. ऑलमोस्ट 300 साल पुराना है. हैदराबाद बन के 400 साल हुआ. तो ये बने 300 साल हुआ. मेरे को कितना प्यारा लग रहा है. वाओ, what a beautiful guys. Wonderful guys, wonderful area. और अनिता जी,
यस,
कैसा महसूस हो रहा है आपको इधर?
मुझे बढ़िया महसूस हो रहा है. विप्लव जी, आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
मेरे को बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है. एक्चुअली ना इधर उस्मान सागर लेक है, उसकी वजह से एक्सट्रीम ह्यूमिडिटी है और सांस फूल रही है, बट फिर भी अच्छी है. अच्छा प्लेस है.
विप्लव जी, कोई एसी में रहने की आदत है तो फिर बाहर निकलते हैं तो मुझे तो कुछ ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है. मेरे को तो अच्छा है.
So guys, very mind-blowing experience. See the beautiful landscape here. So it's about 30 to 40 kilometers from Hyderabad, from Gachibowli area towards Osman Sagar. There are other sightseeing points as well. Once you complete Golkonda resort, you can go to Osman Sagar, Gandipet Lake, spend time with your loved ones. And here you can see lot of greenery, guys, fresh air. Those people who want to come out of the stress, it's a stress buster, come here, enjoy lunch, and if possible spend a night in this beautiful resort. Hello Anita. Hello, welcome to the Minar. I hope you like the experience of this Munar Jewel of Nizam. Come here. Do like, share, subscribe to Himalayan Chronicles, guys. Our lovely channel. Signing off, Viplo Anita. We are now exiting this Golkonda resort to travel about 40 kilometers to reach Gachibowli. Newly road is getting constructed. So enjoy this new road, the new vistas. Thanks once again for watching this beautiful video.